Are people in Ohio charged with boating under the influence? I'm Shawn Dominy. I'm an Ohio OVI lawyer, and this video is going to answer that question. As surprising as it may seem, the answer is yes. In Ohio, you can be charged with boating under the influence, also known as BUI. In fact, the law which prohibits boating under the influence applies to all watercraft, including skis. So if you're skiing under the influence, you could be charged with this offense. Now, this offense is investigated much like an OVI. If a law enforcement officer comes into contact with you while you're operating a boat and they suspect that you're under the influence, they'll use the same tests to determine whether or not you're under the influence or over the limit. Those tests include the field sobriety tests and either a blood, breath, or urine test. Not only is the investigation similar to that for an OVI, but the consequences for BUI are also similar to the consequences for OVI. Both are categorized as a first-degree misdemeanor, and that means for BUI, you can get jail time of at least 3 days and up to 180 days in jail. You would also be subjected to a fine, which is a minimum of $150 and a maximum of $1,000. You can also be placed on probation for up to 5 years. If you have been charged with boating under the influence, I know that can be overwhelming. And so what I recommend that you do before going to court and even before hiring a lawyer is educate yourself. Because boating under the influence is so similar to OVI, a lot of the materials on my website about OVI apply equally to boating under the influence. So you may want to check out those additional materials on the website, and you may want to download the ebook from the website as well. I hope that you find this video and those additional materials are helpful.